Let's get the party started. What are we looking at? Let's get some schnews up here. CNBC. There you go. Dow futures little change heading into the first week. All right. So I was looking at we were down about 20 this morning, and it's come back to about down about 6, and we're going to open up flat. Um, so keep that in the back of your mind. Let's just take a quick look at what's going on or what news we have ahead of us. I believe this week, well, I'm pretty certain this week we have the minutes reading, the Fed minutes, and um, we have non-farm payroll at the end of the week. So those are two big topics, and this is dragging. It's probably my killer software that's keeping that from coming up. And congratulations to Jim Cramer. He's got a nice program going up. So let's just get rid of that. So we know we got Feds coming up. We know we got non-farm payroll coming up, and that is historically a very quiet week, a very sedate week. But this has been crazy times, and now you got the Biden Communist Party working on messing with China, and you know those guys are like the gang that can't shoot straight. So we really don't know what's going to happen. So I'm playing it pretty conservative. Now on SPX, here's our daily bar. It's an indecisive bar. You got a wick to the top, wick to the bottom. We closed inside the body, although it is a downtrending bar. Today we're going to open up flat, which means we should open up right about here. A break of that high is going to be a nice break. I'm going to take that break and hope to get a run on that. But we have seen the market break up and then turn around. So lots of volatility. You really have to watch your trading in this environment. But I like it. I like it. I was afraid that we were going to open up in the middle and then we could fight our way up or down. But I'm kind of feeling that we may break to the upside. I'm hoping we get a little whip down because I'm trying to get some spreads on. But um, as far as a directional trade, I'll take that, and I'll take that run to the other side. Um, I'm just looking at some news, see if anything's coming up. Yeah, we're getting closer to opening flat. We're down 5, and actually, the implied is down 5. So we're opening flat today. That's what it looks like. Let's see what everything else is doing. I'm very interested in the 10-year and what it looks like. So something new. There we go. A little slow today. Which David and his technical troubles is nothing new to you guys. But it looks like we're streaming well. I don't understand what the hangup is. So here's the 10-year, and it looks like it's pushing up a little bit. Might try to close this gap, but the momentum's rolling over, and I do expect the 10-year to come down to around the 1.40 range, and that should be good for markets. That should start moving markets up and getting things aggressive. I'm just a little disappointed that the markets are moving up so quickly in the morning. I want to get that trade hit, but we'll just play it throughout the day and see how it goes. Um, we don't have to look at the ES. Let's take a peek at Apple. Oh, I like that hammer, 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 hammer. We're gonna open up down a little bit, but I would take an entry on the break of that hammer. The momentum hasn't really rolled around, but it's Apple, man. I mean, it's fun to get in at the bottom, but you don't need to. I mean, Apple's going to come around for you. It's not something to trade. I mean, I'm really not talking about short-term trades here either. I'm talking more long-term when I'm looking at a daily chart as far as investment goes. But hey, we like Apple and Disney. I'm a fan, man. If you're going to invest, I say Disney is the way to go. Oh, what is with this software? What the hell am I streaming on? It's like dial up over here. Oh, my. Okay, I'm tethering, so am I tethering? I'm just taking a look at some of my creative configurations here. Yeah, I should be tethering. Hold on just a second. Let me just take a peek. I'm going to have to block you guys out. Oh, I'm not. Yeah, I'm connected there, but let me see if I... Mm-mm-mm. Yeah, it should be bridged. No, I've got nothing. Nothing. Why do I have nothing?